Hi, today in this video I'd like to tell you about the 5 reasons to learn Hadoop. You might have been listening to the term big data and Hadoop quite many a times. Big data is nothing but the large amount of data getting generated using the applications like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and online social shopping websites like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, etc. So in order to uh, process this large amount of data, we have been using Hadoop. So now let us see the 5 reasons to learn Hadoop. So when it comes to see the 5 reasons to learn Hadoop, we have, so these, it's an overview of the 5 reasons to learn Hadoop. So the first one out of all these is better career. So when it comes to better career, we can see like around only 10% of the complete big data jobs have been filled, and the companies who have implemented the big data comes under only the 10% category. So we can see like 90% of the companies are yet to implement big data. So obviously it results in getting you a better career. And the second one is better salary. So when it comes to better salary, big data is big pay. The corporate appetite for big data is translating into rising salaries for IT professionals. The highest paying is data warehouse manager, with starting salaries ranging from $115,000 to $154,000. The biggest raise goes to business intelligence analyst, who can expect a 7.4 boost this year. So the third one is big companies hiring. So when it comes to big companies hiring, we can see some of the few companies like Dell, IBM, Amazon Web Services, Datamere, Hortonworks, so Cloudera. So all these companies are hiring. And when it comes to better job opportunities, we can see like only very few positions of a organization or a company have been filled. When it comes to data scientist position, only 18% of the jobs have been filled. So which in turn tells that 82% of the jobs are unfilled. That of compared to big data visualizer, 23% of the jobs have been filled. It means 77% of the jobs is still unfilled. In the same way, we have big data research analyst, big data engineer, big data architect, big data analyst. Around 40 to 60% of the jobs are still unfilled. So obviously it leads to getting you a better job opportunities. And the fifth one is big data and Hadoop everywhere. When you can simply check out the few basic applications like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. All these applications, or the organizations who have built these applications, we can see that lots of data is getting generated using these applications. So obviously all the MNCs or companies, organizations, everywhere we can see the big data, and in order to solve this problem, we are using Hadoop as a solution. So these are the 5 reasons to learn Hadoop. Thank you.